Atlanta. This warning is for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Barrow, Cherokee, Clark, Dawson, Forsyth, Gwinnett, Hall, Jackson, Lumpkin, Madison, Oconee, Pickens, Walton, and White. What? Dangerously cold wind chills ranging from as cold as 15 degrees below in the North Georgia mountains to the single digits above zero in central Georgia. Where? All of North and Central Georgia. When? Until 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. Impacts: frostbite and hypothermia will occur if unprotected skin is exposed to these temperatures. An extended period of freezing temperatures could cause ruptured water pipes. Dress in layers, including a hat, face mask, and gloves if you must go outside. To prevent water pipes from freezing, wrap or drain or allow them to drip slowly. Keep pets indoors as much as possible. Make frequent checks on older family, friends, and neighbors. Ensure portable heaters are used correctly. This warning is for the following counties in Georgia: Franklin, Habersham, Hart, and Stevens. Lighter winds have returned this morning and temperatures will steadily warm throughout the day. Thus, the extreme cold warning will be allowed to expire at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The current time is 10:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.